Hello guys, it's Slime Girl. So yeah, so I have something special and new. Guess what? It's food coloring. So yeah, it's food coloring. So it says red, yellow, green, and blue. So yeah, I have to start a lot of videos because it's messing up and stuff. Sorry guys. So yeah. If you have Roblox account, my Roblox account is Queen of Me and You. So go I have a computer. If you have a computer, you can press C to crouch on Prison Life or Jailbreak, and F to run, and F to fight. So yeah, stuff like that. And on Jailbreak they have new cereals and they have sewers and new trains. It doesn't fly or anything like that. So let's get. Okay, I know what just happened. So let's start over. Blue, red, red, and green, green. And yellow. So this is the sky, this is hell, this is Boo Boo, and this is the sun. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment down below. My channel, Slime Girls No Space, and my friend channel is LOL Girl Gaming, Space Gaming out, and my brother's name is Ricky Lynn Thomas, his YouTube channel, and don't space nothing. Spell it right, Ricky Lynn Thomas. If you see it, just press it. If you're not spell it, just put an R, keep on going, and then you'll see his name. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, press the bell. Goodbye guys. See you later.